Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, January 9th. This morning, I would like to do a healing practice dedicated to two people who are having heart procedures today. One is Mary Obol, our fellow Mindful Mornings practitioner who is getting a coronary angiogram, and the other is Moss Hudson, the son of Zazu, another fellow practitioner of ours. He is getting a replacement battery for his pacemaker, so may both procedures go as smoothly as they can, and may Mary and Moss have a quick and easy recovery. And it's okay if you don't know either of them personally. Just trust that somehow the energy we're going to generate through this practice today will get to those two human beings and help them. Our Sangha, our community has done this type of healing practices quite a few times over the past years, and I just know it works. And of course, if you want to include anybody else who is currently struggling with heart issues or any health issues for that matter, take a moment to do that now. And now let's just dive into the practice. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Find spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring your attention to your nostrils and notice the breath going in and out through your nose. And now let your imagination follow your breath as it travels in and out of your body. And eventually visualize your breath finding its way to your heart. Follow the path of your breath to the center of your heart and find a small, warm light glowing at its core. Maybe it's the green light of the heart chakra. Maybe you see a different color. It's all good. Nothing needs to be forced. Everything easy, effortless. As each in-breath reaches the center of your heart, watch that light glow brighter as if you were blowing on an ember. As you breathe out, watch the light spread from the center of your heart in all directions. Above you, below you, to either side, front and back. Surrounding yourself with a warm, glowing, healing light. And allow the light to glow brighter and brighter each time you breathe in. And with each exhale, transport the light beyond your heart in all directions so that it spreads across your body, soothing and relaxing each part of your body as it spreads. Feel the warm light move across your chest and to your shoulders, up your neck and head. Follow the glow down your back and arms, all the way to your fingertips. As the light spreads, notice the warmth bathing those areas like a soothing balm, each part of you feeling soft and relaxed. With your next few out breaths, watch the light pour from your heart to your belly, hips, down your legs, and all the way to your feet and toes. Your whole body is relaxed and glowing from within, glowing in all directions with this beautiful, warm, healing light. Now imagine that a beam of this healing light is connecting your heart to the hearts of all those who need healing right now. Specifically, we are sending this healing light to Mary and Moss and everybody else who you decided to include in this practice today. As you visualize the warm, glowing light connecting your heart directly to theirs, start sending them loving kindness. First, we send it to Mary. May Mary be filled with loving kindness. May she be well in body and mind. May she feel protected, cared for, at ease. May she know deep, natural peace. May her heart procedure go smoothly today, and may her recovery be quick and easeful. Now let's send the loving kindness energy to Moss. May Moss be filled with loving kindness. May he be well in body and mind. May he feels protected, cared for, at ease. May he know deep, natural peace. May his heart procedure go smoothly today, and may his recovery be quick and easeful. And now let's send loving kindness to all the other people you decided to include in this practice today. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel protected, cared for, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue sending loving, healing energy to Mary and Moss. May their heart procedures go smoothly today. May their recovery be quick and easy. May they know deep, natural peace. And thank you so much for being here today, for being part of our powerful Sangha, for being willing to share your amazing energy with one another and even people you don't know personally. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.